Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the US dollar yen, it's been an extremely sideways pair. I mean, I have a little channel line on here. I mean, potentially the best strategy on something like this is to just try to trade the highs and the lows in the channel. I still think there's a possible three-way pullback here, like three ways of W, three ways of X, and three ways of Y. And if that is true, then I would expect it to break down. I would expect it to break this line right here to the downside. And hopefully this up here is the end of a pullback on the daily weekly. But there definitely is no break to the downside yet. So going down to the sort of time phase, I mean, it made what looks like one, two, three waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level. So maybe now it's going to go down and, hit the bottom of this channel. If it does break the channel, then fine, we'll continue to look for sorts. If it just goes down to the bottom of the channel and like rejects it or something like it has been, then like I said, probably the best strategy is to be trying to play the highs and the lows in this channel on these sort of time frames, at least until we get some sort of a breakout one way or the other. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.